Cameraman getting hit. Oh, got it. Oh, got it. All right, Junior, come back. Oh, not shooting the bathroom, y'all. Wait. Time out. What's up, Johnson fam? Look, this the day after my son party. Still got a few toys we hadn't opened yet. But what we gonna do, we gonna wake the ladies up with his sister and her friend. Oh, they can't hear me. But we gonna wake them up with some brand new water guns we got. They heavy sleepers, so they ain't gonna hear us. And sign to everybody.
Y'all wanna see some brand new water guns?
Let's show them guns we got, boy. Epic.
He say epic, fast, film.
Some nano fast.
Nano fast, film.
Yep. Shoots up to 34 feet. Oh, we finna wet them up. Yeah. You ready to get it?
What do you official shot 1,000 feet?
That means you can shoot them from a long distance. But let's go and open this thing up.
34 feet.
Oh, you can got a small one in there too. Okay.
Oh, I
So
thought.
you got 3 of them in here. Let's see how we gonna open this.
I thought we don't have it.
Shh, don't talk too loud. You gonna wake them up.
I thought we don't have enough for the years, but we actually do. I
Uh-huh.
thought we should.
All right.
Actually,
We can get this show on the road.
we have 3 of them for you. No, Matthew can use this one too,
Yeah.
and the other girls can use the other one.
Yeah, later on, y'all, we're gonna do a boys versus girl water fight. So let's get this baby open. Let's get this open. Y'all, so we got it open right now. This thing real epic. Y'all excuse the house. We had a long night of the party, so we ain't really cleaned up. This how we gonna open it. Pull that up. And you just fill that sucker with water, just like that. And you like the picture go? Oh, you put water in it? Let's see. Shoot it in the sink. You gotta cock it. Yeah, make sure you hold it right though. Y'all, we got dishes and stuff everywhere. Oh yeah. Do it one more time. Oh, one more time. There it is. Alright, that's the warmer. Wait a minute. That's the warmer.
Let's go test it out.
Yeah. Wait. Put it to your body like that. And test that baby out. Wait, we got one more in here.
You try to.
Alright, let me get this last one out for y'all. We got a little 9mm. So we can find out how we put water in this one. Y'all know we get new stuff on read. We just look at it and find it out. You know what? I'm gonna say this for later. I'm gonna let you do it. I'm gonna film you shooting them, alright? So now we gotta go in there real quiet. Shh. Come on, don't shoot. I'm gonna tell you when to shoot, alright? You gotta be quiet. I'm gonna tell you when to shoot. Right. Shh. We about to go in that room real quiet. Now I'm gonna let them have it. Shoot. Wait. Shoot till I say shoot, alright? Shh. Now this is homeboy Matt. He knocked out. We finna get away. Wait a minute. Let's go put it up. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Forget that. Just run in there and get your mama. Run in there and get your mama. Just run and get her. We're gonna get mama tea. Get there, go now. Get her. Alright. Let's go put it up. Let's go put it up. Put it on the table right now. Put it on the table right now. Team Jerry and Jerry Jr. Hey, but it ain't no. I gotta find out how to do this. It ain't no. Got that back like that. Let's have to put water in there. Let go. Hello, Junjun. Julia, no. Put it on the table. Drop that thing. Let me get my hand out the way, y'all. Mama T thought it was over. She thought it was over. I got some. Oh. You okay, Tudy? Oh, she mad, man. How you feel? He the ambusher. How you feel?
So y'all gonna turn on me?
How you feel? He turned on you. Wait a minute. Let me go. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, I'm about to get Mama T. I got that Glock on my side. She don't know about, huh?
I'm gonna get this block behind my back.
Okay, put it up. We're gonna play with that later. We're gonna go outside in a minute. I got Mama T. Come on my side. Interview time. Interview time.
Y'all turned on me and my baby.
Huh? Interview time.
On me and my baby.
Interview time.
Okay.
Yeah, that thing came with a little 9mm. Put it on your side. See, baby? That's it. I can get you no more. Got it with the little 9 they ain't see. Had it on the side. Interview time.
What's wrong?
Interview time.
You better get your baby.
I ain't got it. I got it. Good work. Good work. Team the LeJarretts. Jerry Jr. Come on. Come on. Yeah, she's scared. I got cord now. She's scared. She don't want to come. Yeah, it's in my hand still, but I ain't finna shoot it now.
I hear you.
Yeah, she don't want. Baby, it's okay. Don't be scared.
I can hear you shaking that gun.
I still got the gun in my hand, but I got cord though.
But you shaking it.
Cause cord in my hand, I'm moving.
What you shaking it for?
Look and see.
Like you trying to get some water out of it.
Oh no, yeah, I ain't got to shake to get water out these. Get from under that cover, baby. I go ahead comment. Team boys, you know.
Team boys.
Team boys. She gave it the Ain't this right, Corey? Team boys say yeah, early in the morning. Waking them up with it early in the morning.
That's all right.
Come here, Junior.
Cause y'all gonna get got.
Junior, come here.
She said get that. She mad.
Say team boys.
Team boys.
Yeah, they mad right now, but you know what?
Y'all should cut the air off.
Oh well, they mad.
Junior.
Get up. That's enough, Junior. Put it up. All right. Y'all know how we get out of here. We'll do part 2 later, but for the time being, and we out. Peace. Oh. I did say we out, but big sister went and got the gun. Don't get go back. Big sister went and got the gun. Hey, I take that back. We not out. Hey, look, we not sister coming with it. Oh, little Mac that got me. Oh, little Mac got it. Little Mac, big sister came and got it. Big sister, hold up. Oh, big sister with it.
You wanna get fried too?
Big sister, big sister with it. Yeah, we the water off. I hear water cut off. Hello, Junior. Wait, Junior, scoot back, Junior. Oh, what we just started the war. We got all this and we ain't got no mop. Oh, just scoot back, Junior. Wait. Get out the way, Junior. Oh! Come here, Junior. Wait, y'all. We gotta do the rest outside. Come here. Junior, don't sit right there. She gonna get y'all. Y'all can't just sit right there and wait. She got cover. Y'all don't. Y'all stop. Y'all shooting the door. You can't just shoot the door. You ain't gonna never get her. She got cover. Don't wet the bathroom. I ain't gonna know if it's water or pee. Don't wet the bathroom. Ooh, this bitch came with it. We was not expecting it. She was slick with it too. She was quiet. She came ambushing. Oh Lord, we all in the house. These kids got it on their mind. It was teen boys, but she said she got some. She said don't end this video just yet. Teen girls.
Gotta go outside with that.
Teen, she said, look at her peeking through the door. Everybody gone now. She came with the big gun too, boy. She came with the big one. Oh. Oh, of course. Ooh. She came with big gun. Yeah, we'll go outside if the rest of them folks get too hot.
No, you want it to be hot.
Well, yeah, we do want to be high. Wait, baby coming through. Everybody time out. Stop, baby coming through. Cool. Baby coming through. Oh, he got his stance up. These boys be toting that iron for real. Look how they shooting. They toting that iron for real. That did not come with training. No experience. Now this ain't no Fortnite. We ain't finna busting down doors and stop shooting the door. Y'all gotta wait. Don't stand by the door because she gonna get y'all every time.
Oh, you wanna stand by the door still?
Alright, stand by the door. Y'all go miss. Y'all gotta put something in front of y'all like a barricade. Y'all gotta put. You ain't hitting them at the door. Y'all need like a barricade or. Oh, she getting. Look at her. She getting y'all. Oh, she got y'all good too. Hold on, baby coming through. Baby coming through. Baby coming through. Stop shooting the door. Y'all ain't hitting nothing.
She ain't get me.
She ain't get you. Y'all see them markers on that door? That's from a previous prank we did. So that's not dirt. That's from a previous prank. Mess around. Do not cut off. That's a paint prank we did. Lord have mercy. Well, we just started early in this morning. They came with it this morning. Hey, forget it. It's the last day they here before they go home. They homies. So we finna go out with a bicky banger.
Come out wherever you are.
Let's see. They got their post up now.
Move. Come out.
That's the post right there. The post way over there. Oh, she doing countdown. Let me get out the way. Yeah, she. Oh. Wait, hold on. What you shooting at?
The big gun right there. No, get that gun.
Oh, he got two. Oh.
No, get that gun.
You
Yeah.
see him, Corey?
Filled it up.
Hey, you in the line of fire, Junior. You just can't sit there. She gonna get you. What you doing? You gotta get to the side. Find a box to put in your face. Y'all got to go outside and make a barricade or something. Lord have mercy. Hold up, baby coming through. Oh, where were you? Oh, let me get out the way. Yeah. Oh, there it is. There it is. There. Oh. You seen that? Oh, boy, y'all seen that? They're like them games where the little groundhog pop their head out. You got to hit it back in. She came with it full blast. Oh, you got, didn't it, Matt?
No, come on.
Matt, you got? She got you good, huh?
She ain't even get me.
Oh, she ain't. Oh, he talking. No, y'all heard that? He said she ain't even get him.
I ain't get you. Alright.
And you heard that? She said, all right.
You pop out.
She said, it's up now.
Alright.
It's up. It's up. It's up, and away. Hold up. Before you open that door, Tudy, let me tell y'all something. Y'all listening? Y'all listening? Look here, this morning, Junior killed the cockroach. I will do a prank. I put it on your arm, but it fell in your hand. It's in the bed somewhere. It's a cockroach in the bed, but it's dead. Let y'all know that now. It was a prank gone. It's a prank gone wrong and failed. But it's in y'all bed, so don't turn nothing up when you see it, cause it's dead. Unless it's in your house. Hold up, it's me. Hold up. Ah!
Why would you do that?
Huh?
Put the baby down.
She said put the baby down, y'all.
Mama, please get your baby.
Hold on, you trying to call me out too? What, you trying to call me out? Did you see the, yeah. Yeah. Did you see the, you saw it in your bed, the roach?
No, but you play. I can hit feet.
You can't beat, but you were not that hard though. You. Hey, gun almost caught you. A gun got stuck in the door. Y'all seen it? A gun got stuck in the door, y'all. She got her own self set up. They refilling. They refilling. I don't know, man.
No, you know it.
Y'all refilling? You can't. Huh? Hold on, y'all. Time out. She gotta refill her. Hold up, y'all. Stop. Time out. No shooting. No shooting. Nobody shoot. Hold up. Matter of fact, get to the gun and give it over. That's the same one. Give it over, Matt.
No, it's not. It's not the same one.
Oh,
This one way bigger.
oh, Tudy got the big one. I didn't know
I
this.
got the biggest one in there.
I thought it was the same size. That's like a big.
I got the same one like you.
Oh, Junior got the one you got. Okay. Junior, don't shoot your sister. Let her refill. Come on now. She got in the kitchen sink. Huh?
I don't even know how to refill it.
Let me
I just
show you.
tried it. They was tripping.
Hold up, don't shoot now. They got to refill. That ain't fair.
It's not.
Oh, y'all get back. Don't shoot, Junior. Don't shoot, Matt. Y'all go refill. No shooting.
They was tripping.
Go to the tub or something, Tudy.
Yeah, I go to the bathroom in the tub. But don't shoot. Man, so everybody got them gangers and I ain't got nothing.
Exactly. You ain't got nothing. If you ain't had that baby, I got you because I was put a couch on. You can put any of you got something with a couch on. I'm scared of.
Don't shoot. Don't shoot. You don't want to do that. You don't want to aim that at me like that. Oh, we did get you. Junior got you, not me. But we gonna handle that later though. Oh, don't turn on each other right now. Y'all gotta be on the same. Y'all gotta be on the same side right now. Y'all tease right now. Don't turn on each other right now.
Turn on, Matthew.
Y'all got Matt healthier than me. Then turned it on Junior. Oh, he got me. Hey, Junior. Look, Jared, that ain't fair. They gotta get out the bathroom. Let's go back. All right, y'all good. No shooting in the bathroom. Corey, they got you too. These kids don't care. They got me and the baby. Look at they got me and the baby. They got me and the baby. And he trying to eat the water. They got me. They got me and the baby. Lord have mercy. Well, we was gonna do this outside, but y'all see this took a turn real quick.
Because y'all wanted to play in people's bed.
Hey, that was to get up.
We up now, and we ready.
Where Matt at? Oh, Lord. What y'all doing, boys? They got posted and everything. Y'all see? This hood Fortnite. Oh, she got. Oh, they got it good. Oh, they came out the corner and got Matt good. Oh, both of them got their own post. Maddie, that's fertility. They double got you, Maddie. They double got you.
Go out, I got you.
They double got you. Oh, you got me. Who got me? Oh, hold on, let me get out the way. Cameraman getting hit. Oh, got it. Oh, got it. All right, Junior, come back. Oh, don't shoot in the bathroom, y'all. Wait. Time out. Wait, y'all stop. Wait.
That's dope. I'm not gonna welcome me drunk.
Boy, they got that tag too.
Oh my.
You alright, Tudy? Tudy. Ooh, they lit Tudy up. They lit Tudy up and Maddie. Oh yeah, they lit you up too. Hold on, y'all. We got to end this and clean up this floor. We got to do the rest outside. We about to flood in the house. They got you good. You couldn't close the door. You could.
I thought I was shooting somebody.
You got them.
Whenever they were shooting you, I was shooting those.
Not in the bathroom. Don't shoot in the bathroom, Junior. Don't shoot in there. Hold on, I want to buy the fire. We got to clean this floor up now, y'all. Hey, we're gonna take it outside.
Hold on, let me get my one in.
Get your one in. All right, then. Hold up. Go with the part two.
Don't shoot you.
Better get your.
Smell that. It was screaming like Tudy was screaming.
Oh. There it is. He going there with the eye. No, shoot in my bathroom. Alright, oh. Alright, time out. Stop. Hey, y'all. Hey. Cameraman. Oh.
Y'all soaking wet.
Alright. Hey. That's it for this. Part 2 outside. And we out. Peace.